Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if your shipping prices are not updating. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get right into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here at odoo.com if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there and it's going to open up this main page right here. From this home page in the upper right corner, we can get started logging into our account. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From the home page, we can get started accessing our configuration tab right here, site settings and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to go ahead and fix any problem we might be having with shipping. And as you can see right here in the official Odoo forums, somebody already asked the same question with a similar problem on shipping costs, with the problem at checkout with the shipping costs not updating. And here we have an answer by somebody who is more familiar with Odoo and who is a developer. So basically it's not working because whenever you update a car, it will not trigger any delivery cost method right now, and you need to add code to the website. So basically what you want to do is go to the official Odoo forums and find this code right here to copy it over and paste it directly into your code on your website. And if you have any more similar problems, you can search the Odoo forums and get results that way. This is your best choice. If you have a similar problem that cannot be fixed, you're going to post your own thread asking for problems, giving all the details, and somebody more experienced is going to help you out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.